Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these DIY button wreaths, and I used a hot glue gun and the ribbon on top. There is a link down below in the description of how to make this ribbon bow out of just using your fingers, which I created that video a little while ago, and you can use that if you like. And that's pretty much it. This is a really fun, easy activity for the holidays. So let's get started. So I'm taking all of these buttons and I'm gluing the sides and just gluing the sides together. It's pretty easy. You just have to make sure you stay in a circle formation and then make sure that you're on some type of table mat, that you don't care if it gets sticky or not. And it does get a little sticky on the table mat, so you have to pry it off a little bit. And then, or you can just let it air dry before you get to the next one. And you just keep trying to form a circle, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so now that the button wreath is complete, you can add a ribbon. I did the finger ribbon in another video. The link is down below, like I said before, and you just need to add a little bit of glue, place the ribbon on top, or you can do a crochet ribbon or bow or something else. And this is what it looks like when it's complete. Real easy, fun DIY for the holidays. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe.